It's a beautiful day out, so I'm gonna go ahead build my Lego. Apple is in her cat tree. I moved inside because it was starting to get dark. This is Apple. Day 2. I didn't want to stay up to finish this up. I'm almost done though. It's so cute.